Are you a business owner looking to level up your game? Or maybe you're dreaming of starting your own business and need a bit of guidance? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the 10 best books every business owner must read. These books aren't just any business books, they are game changers. They offer valuable, tried and tested insights from successful entrepreneurs, psychologists, and business giants. So, grab your coffee, and let's get started. Book 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. Imagine having two dads giving you life advice, one rich and the other poor. Kiyosaki uses this metaphor to explain the mindset differences between wealthy people and those who struggle financially. What's great about this book is that it makes financial literacy easy to understand. It's not just for business owners, it's for everyone. Now, Kiyosaki's main point? Focus on acquiring assets instead of liabilities. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket, and a liability is something that takes money out. He talks about investing in real estate, stocks, and small businesses. A must-read for shifting your financial mindset. Book 2. The Lean Startup, by Eric Ries. Have you ever wondered how some startups become successful while others fail? Rise provides a new approach to managing startups with limited resources. The core idea is validated learning. Instead of spending months building a perfect product, create a basic version and test it in the market. Use the feedback to make improvements. This is known as the build, measure, learn loop. It's about being adaptable and learning quickly from your mistakes. Perfect for anyone starting a new business. Book 3. Thinking Fast and Slow, by Daniel Kahneman. Kahneman is a Nobel Prize-winning psychologist. This book delves into the two systems of thought, fast thinking and slow thinking. Fast thinking is quick and automatic, like when you recognize a face. Slow thinking is deliberate and logical, like when you solve a math problem. Kahneman explains how both types of thinking influence our business decisions. You'll learn how to avoid common cognitive biases that can lead to costly mistakes. A real eye-opener for understanding your own thinking process. Book 4. Good to Great, by Jim Collins. Ever wondered why some companies make the leap from good to great while others don't? Collins explores this by studying a bunch of companies over 5 years. One key takeaway is the concept of Level 5 leadership. These leaders are a blend of humility and professional will. Another big idea is the hedgehog concept. This means focusing on what you can be the best in the world at, what drives your economic engine, and what you are deeply passionate about. It's all about understanding what sets your business apart. Book 5. The E-Myth Revisited, by Michael E. Gerber. A lot of small businesses fail because the owners are working in their business but not on their business. Gerber introduces the idea of creating systems that allow your business to run without you. He emphasizes the technician, manager, and entrepreneur roles within any business. The technician is the doer, the manager is the planner, and the entrepreneur is the visionary. Balancing these roles is key to a successful business. This book is a game changer for creating a scalable business model. Book 6. Start with Why, by Simon Sinek. Sinek argues that people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. He introduces the golden circle model: why, how, and what. Most companies start with what they do, then move to how. But the truly inspiring leaders and organizations start with why, their purpose, their cause. It's a fresh way to think about your business strategy and organizational culture. Knowing your why can inspire both your team and your customers. Book 7. 0 to 1, by Peter Thiel. Thiel is one of the founders of PayPal and an early investor in Facebook. This book focuses on innovation and creating something new. Thiel's core message is that it's better to go from 0 to 1, creating something unique, rather than going from 1 to N, which is just copying existing ideas. He talks about the importance of monopolies in business. According to him, competition is for losers, and you should aim to build a monopoly. Quite controversial, but thought-provoking. Book 8. Blue Ocean Strategy, by W. Chan Kim and Renee Morborn. Most companies compete in red oceans, fighting against each other for market share. Kim and Mauborgne argue for blue oceans, uncontested market spaces ripe for innovation. They provide a systematic approach to making the competition irrelevant. One tool they introduce is the strategy canvas, which helps you visualize your current strategic position in the market. It's all about shifting your focus from competing to innovating. Book 9. The Art of War, by Sun Tzu. Though written over 2,500 years ago, its principles are still incredibly relevant in business. Sun Tzu's strategies for warfare have been adapted for business strategies. One key idea is the importance of preparation and adaptability. Know your enemy, know yourself, and you will prevail. Sun Tzu also talks about the importance of flexibility and exploiting the weaknesses of your competition. It's a strategic handbook for business owners. Book 10, Drive, by Daniel H. Pink. Pink explores what really motivates us: autonomy, mastery, and purpose. It challenges the old idea that money is the primary motivator for work. For business owners, understanding these motivators can help you create a more engaged and productive team. Pink provides practical advice on how to foster these three elements in your workplace. It's essential reading for anyone managing a team or running a business. So, there you have it. Those are the 10 best business books every business owner must read. These books offer incredible insights, from financial literacy to understanding human behavior and leadership. Which one will you pick up first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week to help you grow your business. Until next time, happy reading and keep hustling.